I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet, which is a half treble in UK terms, but as always I like to work with American stitch terms. So this is the half double crochet. As always, start with a slip knot and a chain. If you don't know how to do a slip knot or a chain, take a look at my videos for how to do a slip knot and a chain, surprise. It's here if you click this little eye, or it's down here in the video description. So as always, you start with the chain like I said. So we are going to chain 12. So I've got my 12 chains here. As always, this loop on your hook does not count as a chain. So it's only the completed chains you need to count. So because the half double crochet is slightly taller, it's not as tall as a double and it's not as short as a single, you're going to only need to skip the first 2 chains. So ignore these 2 chains and you're going to work into the 3rd chain here. So not this one, not this one, chain number 3. So you're going to yarn over, put your finger on that loop so it doesn't come off. And going into the 3rd chain, insert your hook to the 3rd chain and yarn over again. Your yarn will already be at the back. So yarn over and bring this yarn back through this chain, so just underneath that first loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. You're free to take your finger off now. So 3 loops on your hook, and to complete your half double crochet, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. I'll show you again, working into the next chain here, yarn over, pop your finger on that loop so it can't come off, and then insert your hook into the next chain there. Your yarn will already be waiting for you at the back, so yarn over, come back through, so you bring it back to the front of the work with you. 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Again, into the next chain here, yarn over first, pop your finger on that yarn over, just so that if you don't, it can kind of come off. So just by popping your finger there, just keeps it in check. Into the next chain. Your yarn is already waiting for you back here. So yarn over and bring this loop back through this chain so it's all at the front again. 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. I'll show you one more time. Yarn over, pop your finger on that loop so it can't go anywhere. Into the stitch. Yarn over and bring it back through with you. So you've got 3 loops. You can take your finger off. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's the half double crochet. And keep going all the way along your chain, and I will show you how you do the 2nd row. Don't forget to put your last half double crochet, this is your slip knot, the chain in front of that, right there, the very first one that you did. These are your half doubles. Now to do your next row, you need to get your hook up to the correct height. You've got to bring your hook up here. You can't just turn around and start doing half doubles straight away because they'll be too low, too angry, too tight. So you need to do what is called a turning chain. So because the half double it's not quite super short, it's not quite super tall, just chaining 2 seems to be right. So 1, 2, turn your work. So you can see your hook is now at the right height. It's the same height as your stitches below. So then you're ready to start your second row, crocheting always in this direction. So yarn over, and this time you're going under the stitch here, into this gap here. So you're going to put your hook under both these little loops of the top of your stitch. So you're going to put your hook underneath, so you can see there, that's your stitch there. Catch the yarn at the back, bring it back through with you. You've got your 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and then keep going underneath each of your stitches from the row below. And that is how you do the half double crochet. I hope that has helped you.